This is cool. There's the door. Okay. This little string going over here to the side. Here's a hook. You unhook it, and it closes the door. Open the door in the morning, close the door at night. You don't even have to go in the chicken coop. Isn't that cool? Coop with some chickens in there. 6 little chickies. Yep, it's gonna have some eggs in a couple months. Well, I don't know how many. Pretty soon.